Today we'll talk about how can you enable autophagy notifications on your app, on your BodyFast app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on me down here. When you just click here on me, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on notifications, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here. You keep going down. You come here to autophagy here, just clicking this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean here autophagy notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.